Good morning, folks. I got up today about 8 o'clock this morning. It's going on 9 o'clock now. Well, it looks like I'm not going to be getting outside much today. It's raining out. It's really cloudy. Might go next door and get a coffee at Tim Hortons. Yes, I do live right next door. But I thought I'd show you a little bit of my foods I have in my refrigerator. Stuff I always have at home. Like, I always have Bragg's apple cider vinegar, organic, raw and unprocessed honey from our local farmers market here. I always have a bottle of flaxseed oil that I mix with cottage cheese. It's good. I've had cancer before, so that's good for keeping me healthy. I always have organic eggs. I don't eat them a lot, but I do like my eggs once in a while. And then I also have some organic cottage cheese. Always gotta have organic lettuce. And then I have the Pacific soups. I always buy them, they're organic. Really good for you. Then I have these organic kiwis. I love kiwi. I also have something like kiwi, but a little bit different. I think they're called Sun Gold. They're kind of like a kiwi fruit. Then I always have strawberries. Blueberries, which I'm running out of. I buy these organic carrot strips for my salads. Matchsticks. Always have to have some radishes. I also have asparagus here. And I picked up some fresh green beans from the market. I like to make a lot of wraps. So I got these low carb wraps that I use. That's a lot of my foods I have in my refrigerator. I always have orange juice. You can hear my cat meowing in the background here. I gotta clean up this mess in the kitchen that she always makes. Come here, kitty. Where are you at? There she is. How are you? Say hi. Yeah. That's my alley girl. Oh, I pick up these potatoes at the local farmer's market. That's what I have in my fridge right now. I probably should go shopping a little bit. I also have a bag of chicken breast that doesn't have any what do you call them, steroids or anything in it. It's all fresh chicken, farm raised. But that is what I have in my kitchen. I will show you a little bit of my little apartment here. I got it all nautical. That's my kitchen and living room. It's kind of small. I picked up these lamps. I love them lamps. Turn off my air conditioner there. But yes, it's already raining outside. I'll show you. That's my beautiful view of the Pine River and the boat club. But there you go. I hope you guys have a great day. So get up and get going. Peace and love, man. I'm gonna get over to Tim Hortons maybe and have my coffee. Have a good one. Bye.